You ever felt that sinking feeling, like your whole trip could unravel in a second? That's exactly what hit me the moment I realized I might have fallen into a travel insurance scam. I'd spent weeks planning this trip, saving, packing, dreaming, and then, bam, something went wrong with my insurance. Suddenly, it wasn't about adventure anymore, it was about fighting to get what I'd already paid for. Here's what happened. I bought what I thought was a legit travel insurance policy online, something cheap and convenient, from a site I found through a quick Google search. Everything looked official: the logo, the policy documents, even a customer service number. But when I needed to make a claim after my luggage was stolen in a foreign city, it turned into a nightmare. Calls went unanswered, emails bounced back, and the support just disappeared. I was stuck with no coverage and honestly a little terrified. I wasn't alone. Turns out, travel insurance scams are way more common than I thought. Fraudsters prey on travelers who want a good deal or just don't have the time to dig deep. And when you're halfway across the world, that's exactly when you're most vulnerable. The stress of dealing with lost belongings or medical emergencies is bad enough. Add to that the frustration of realizing your insurance was fake, and it can feel crushing. But here's the good news: you can absolutely protect yourself. The biggest tip I learned the hard way is, always check who you're buying from. That means verifying the company's license and reputation. Look for reviews, check official insurance regulator websites, and avoid deals that seem too good to be true, because they usually are. If a site doesn't have clear contact info or throws around complicated jargon without explaining it, that's a red flag. Another game changer? Use trusted insurance platforms that aggregate legitimate options and make it easy to compare policies without hidden catches. For me, discovering Orust Insure was like finding a lifeline. They curate reliable insurance providers, and their process is transparent, no confusing fine print or shady loopholes. It feels less like a trap and more like a safety net you can actually trust. And here's a little insider tip I picked up. Always screenshot or save your policy documents and communication. If something does go wrong, having proof of what you agreed to helps a lot when sorting things out. Also, check exactly what's covered. Not just the flashy parts like lost luggage or flight cancellations, but the small print on things like pre-existing conditions or adventure sports exclusions. Knowing this up front can save you a huge headache later. I'm sharing this because I know how exciting travel can be, and I want you to have peace of mind, not stress when you're away from home. A little due diligence before buying your travel insurance goes a long way. It's not just about protecting your stuff or health, it's about protecting your trip and your experience. So, next time you're looking for travel insurance, don't rush it or just grab the cheapest option. Take a moment to research, verify, and go with a service you can feel good about. For me, Orust Insure became that quiet, reliable partner on my trips, not some faceless company that vanishes when you need them most. Travel's unpredictable enough without worrying about scams. Protect yourself. It's easier than you think, and it makes all the difference.